Everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about one of my ideas, which is the AR cooking learning app that I choose for the AR task. First of all, the concept of the cooking AR it was inspired by the idea of making cooking more interactive, and the common challenge we face by beginners who rely only on recipe books or online videos to learn cooking. This traditional method often lacks accurate the interactivity and real-time feedback, making it difficult for new learners to follow steps accurately. The concept behind this project is to integrate augmented reality (AR) into the cooking process and allowing the user to experience hands-on learning through the 3D visual guidance. By using their smartphone or tablet camera, the user can see virtual ingredient tools and cooking step appear directly in their real-time kitchen space. This concept aims to make cooking more engaging, interactive, and accessible to anyone who wants to learn by doing rather than just by watching or reading. For the experience flow, first it begins when the user open the app and you can scan the physical recipe card or an ingredient. And then once the app detect the surface or object, a virtual interface will appear, guiding users step by step through the cooking process. And then each stage present clear 3D visual of ingredient, preparation step, and cooking technique. And then, for example, user can view how to cut the vegetable properly or mix ingredient in the correct order. The flow also includes interactive feature that let user rotate the AR model, pause or replay step, and view detailed description if needed. The overall experience is designed to feel intuitive and supportive user that can learn on their own pace while receiving real-time visual feedback that ensure they perform each step correctly. Then for the visual first picture, this one is the recipe selection interface and also the home page. The first screen show the main recipe selection page, and then user can browse or search for recipe using the search bar, and then can view the basic details such as the difficulty level. Here we have beginners, and then the estimated cooking time. This is 15 minutes, and the start AR button invites the user to begin the interactive session. And then the design emphasizes simplicity and accessibility using a clean layout with white background and then the orange button. The interface also motivates beginners by including progress tags like beginner or done to track learning progress. And then next, the second page, we have the screen representing the AR cooking mode interface where the user will see a virtual 3D ingredient, for example, like rice, onion, carrot, garlic, and others. Um, and then it overlaid on their real world environment. The dark background is supposed to be the camera screen where you point your camera at your real life environment. And then the step progress bar at the top, like step 1 out of 6, it indicates how far along the user is in the recipe, and then it reinforces a sense of progression and achievement. And then the next step and previous step button allows smooth navigation through the AR cooking stage and encourage self-paced learning. The short written instruction like gather, cook, act, and others complement the visual, providing both visual and textual learning cues. And when you click back to the recipe, it will automatically save your progress and it's going to show you a progress tracker, like 2 out of 6 step complete. And then it also motivates the user to continue visually reinforcing their advancement. And then once steps all done, the interface update to display a done badge and a restart button, symbolizing that task is completed. And there's also a restart opportunity to repetition or practice again. The consistent of use of brand color orange for action, and then the green for success. Um, it also add a simple touch with the white background. And that's all. Thank you.